Hello everyone, this is Sanjay Rathi. As you know, we have around 5 months for GATE 2025. Okay, is it possible to crack GATE with top rank during this 5 months with self-study? Why? Because number of contents are available, free contents are available on YouTube, on different platforms. Yes, it is possible to crack GATE with self-study. How? You have to make proper schedule, you have to follow discipline, and you have to solve what number of previous year questions, right? At the same time, you have to clear your doubts with the help of your own notes, detailed notes, formula notes, short notes. Then it is possible. But remember, you have to cover around 10 to 12 subjects. Okay. Now, second option, you can join what? Crash course, right? But if suppose in any crash course during 5 months, if you want to cover 10 to 12 subjects, then it will become very difficult to cover all 10 to 12 subjects within 5 months, right? So what is the middle path? Simple. We are going to start what? Countdown course for you. That is a crash course. Special-5 for electronics branch as well as for electrical and instrumentation branch, guys. Here I am going to cover important 5 subjects. And it will start from what? 7th of September. Now, for more detail, first of all, that is my introduction. As you know, I have qualified and selected for engineering services exam. Now, these are my ranks in engineering services exam. And I have trained more than 1 lakh students for competitive exams. Now, if you want to watch my lectures, suppose some students, they have no idea about Sanjay Rathi, who is Sanjay Rathi and so on. So, you can watch my number of sessions on my YouTube channel, that is on Prep Panda, or on different platforms. You can search with what? Sanjay Rathi, right? On Academy or Byju's or what Grade Up and so on. Now, once you will get the idea about this, then guys, first of all, watch this. I am going to cover 5 important subjects. First, network, analog, digital, control system and EDC for electronics branch. Or in place of EDC, I am going to cover EMFT, that is electromagnetic field theory for electrical and instrumentation branch. So this is called Special-5 subject, right? Now, for this Special-5 subject, it will take around 3 months. That is approximately 200 hours to cover what? Concept, theory. Then we will solve all important previous year questions from 3 branch: electrical, electronics and instrumentation. Why? Because these subjects are common. Now, second thing, there will be a regular doubt clearing sessions. You will get the PDFs with annotation just after class, means no need to make your detailed notes. Just I will give you the idea how to make the short notes. Okay. Then guys, questions from standard textbook and guidance for interview, or when you are going to give the weekly quiz, our team will check what is your performance. But remember guys, there will be limited seats only. Okay. And that's why it is possible to check the performance of each candidate. Then now you have doubts. Sir, if suppose you are going to cover the 5 subjects, network, analog, digital, control system, EDC or EMFT, then what about the other subjects, right? Okay. For electronics branch, the remaining subjects are what? Math and aptitudes first. And you are going to get the maths, 28 marks from maths and aptitude. For any engineer, what about the maths and aptitude? Yes, you can cover maths and aptitude by self-study. Okay. I will give you the idea how to cover the syllabus of maths and aptitude. Then second is core subject like what? Communication, EMFT and signal and system, guys. Right? Again, I will guide you how to cover the syllabus from your notes, guys. Okay. If suppose I am going to cover these 5 subjects and you are taking responsibility for remaining, then guys, you can get the top rank in this exam. Similarly, for electrical branch, machine, power system, power electronics and what? Measurement. Because if suppose I am going to cover all the 10 subjects, 10 to 12 subjects, then it will become very difficult and I am not justifying this course. Okay. Because we have to spend some somewhat minimum time, right, to cover the syllabus. Otherwise, what will happen? You will get the idea up to a surface level, but you are not going to get the depth idea of any subject. That is the difficulty with the full course. Now, subject sequence may be changed, right? But I am going to cover this 5 subject with all these features, guys. Okay. Now, what about the fee structure? Guys, the course will start from the 7th of September and you can use what? Coupon, that is the T day up to Teachers Day. Up to 5th of September, you will get the 20% discount. For more detail, you can download our app. The link is given in description. Download it. If you have any doubts, any queries, any question related to that, first of all, ask all those questions. Once you have trust on our system, right, then you can join. Now, what about the fee structure? You can get the idea about the fee structure on our app. That fee is highly reasonable, right? We have gone through the courses. We have gone through the fee structure, right? And why we have put this fee structure? Because we want only limited students. Only 30 students in one batch. Okay. So that we can focus on each student, right? We can watch your performance and we can work on your weakness or what? Strength. Otherwise, it will not possible, guys. So if you have trust, then you can call us and you can join our course, guys. So this is all about our countdown course. What about the language? We are going to cover this course in English, mostly in English. If suppose you are from Hindi belt, then I will clear your doubts in Hindi also, guys. So for whether the course is in English or Hindi, you can ask all these questions on our app, guys. I will give the answer for all these questions. So stay tuned with me, subscribe my channel now and start your preparation as early as possible. Thank you.